Dear students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss path and point functions. Path function. A path function is a function whose value depends on the path followed by the thermodynamic process irrespective of the initial and final state of the process. An example of path function is work done in a thermodynamic process. Work done in a thermodynamic process is depend on the path followed by the process. A path function is an exact or imperfect differential. Example, heat transfer, work transfer. Point function. A point function, also known as state function, is a function whose value depends on the final and initial states of the thermodynamic process irrespective of the path followed by the process. Example of point functions are density, enthalpy, internal energy, entropy, etc. A point function is a property of the system, or we can say all the properties of the system are point functions. Point functions are exact or perfect differential. Since a point function is only dependent on the initial or final state of the system, hence in a cyclic process, value of a thermodynamic function is 0 or change in thermodynamic property is 0. Difference between point function and path function. In point function, its value are based on the state of the system, that is pressure, volume, temperature, etc. In path function, its values are based on how that particular thermodynamic state is achieved. In point function, no matter by which process the state is obtained, its values will always remain the same. In point function, different processes to obtain a particular state will give us different values. In point function, only initial and final states of the process are sufficient. In path function, we need to know exact path followed by the process. In point function, its value are independent of the path followed. In path function, its value are dependent on the path followed. In point function, it is an exact or perfect differential. Path function is an inexact or imperfect differential. In point function, its cyclic integral is always 0. In path function, its cyclic integral may or may not be 0. Point function is a property of the system. Path function is not the property of the system. The examples of point function are density, enthalpy, internal energy, and entropy. Examples of path functions are heat transfer, work transfer, etc. Thank you.